Hey guys, this is Rashmi and welcome again to my channel. Today I have tried something different on the occasion of Onam. So I hope you people will like this. So before going to start this video, please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. So let's get started with the video. I have little bit of oily skin, so I skip moisturizer and I have already applied my Blue Heaven primer. Now I'm using my Himalaya Lip Care Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. Here I'm using my Lotus Natural Blend 4-in-1 concealer. This concealer gives full coverage as it hiding all my dark spots. Now I'm blending this with my beauty blender. Now I'm applying my Lakme liquid foundation with the shade Natural Coral and it will give you medium coverage. I am blending at half part of my face so that you can see the difference. Now we will start our eye makeup, and for this I am using my MIM eyeshadow palette. First I am applying this color on my outer V. And with the help of flat brush, I am applying this shade. Now I am applying a simple golden color with the help of my finger, and I will blend it properly. To look my eyes bigger, I am using my all-time favorite Lakme eyeliner. After eyeliner, I will apply my HR eye mascara and after that I will apply my MAC kajal. And to set my foundation, I am using my Lakme compact powder. Now it's time to contour and blush your face, and for this I am using my MIM contour palette. And to border my lips I am using my Garden lip liner, and to fill the lips I am using my NYBA liquid lipstick with the shade 6 and the name is Lit as Times Square Ball. And finally I am using my Wet n Wild color icon highlighter to highlight my cheekbone and nose. That's it, your Onam makeup look is ready. I hope you love this tutorial, and if you love this tutorial then please like and share with your family and friends, and we will see in the next video. Till then, bye bye.